In this section, let's check the pricing for CodeDeploy. Again, the pricing is as on date on the Amazon website for CodeDeploy. When you are using CodeDeploy, please check the Amazon CodeDeploy pricing for the latest pricing. It may or may not change, but it is always recommended to check the latest pricing. So for CodeDeploy, if you are deploying on EC2 or Lambda, there is no additional charge for code deployment through AWS CodeDeploy. But definitely if you are using any additional resources, you have to pay for that, like S3 bucket or EC2 instances which are being used. Now for CodeDeploy on OnPremise, you pay 0.02 per on-premise instances update using CodeDeploy. So for on-premise cases, per instance, on-premise instance, you pay $0.02 for AWS CodeDeploy. As usual, there are no minimum fees or no upfront commitment. If you incur the additional charges, that will be for the other AWS resources, like as I said, S3 bucket or Amazon EC2 resources. Now let's move to next section.